Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. Hope you guys are doing good. I have been extremely busy with my project. So working with that top client in the implementation project. So I'm not able to find the time to publish any new videos. So in my project there is a requirement to do the translation for different SAP objects from SD point of view. So, for example, so we have different objects like order types, sales document types, order reasons, and uh, and we have condition tables, custom condition tables, and condition types, item categories, item category group, reason for rejection, billing blocks, billing types, and transaction codes, standard text, SO2 and text. So like this, we have different objects are available in SAP. So the customer requirement here is to do the translation for the countries like, for example, let's say Netherlands and France. That means Dutch and France. So NL or FR. So Netherlands means the two letter language code is NL, and for Netherlands or Dutch. And one more is France. That's FR. So for these objects, we need to do the conversion, translation for these two languages. So the text for this converted text will be shared by business with us. As of now in system, we can see the language available for English only. So we need to convert that into translation. We do the translation for France and Netherlands. Those translation data will be shared by business with us. So we need to do the translation accordingly. So today we will see how to do the translation for the objects. Okay, let's say the first one is sales document types. So let me open the SAP system. We know that the tcode to access the controls of sales document type is VO V8. And if I double click on any of these sales document types, we will see the different controls available in this document type. And the database table which will store this information is TVAK. So TVAK is the database table. Here we can see all the controls of all the sales document types. Fine. Now we need to do the translation for example, let's say OR. OR is the standard document type, right? Okay, there are several ways to do the translation. To access that views. One of the ways to go to the SPRO path. In SPRO path, we can go to our sales and distribution, sales document header. There we can identify the node relevant to sales document types maintenance. That's one way. Another way is that we can directly access the T code VO V8. This is one of the second way. And the third way is that if you are very strong in the database tables, then we can go with SM30 T code. Okay, in SM30 we can simply need to maintain the maintenance view for TVAK table, right? So suppose if you don't know the maintenance view, remember that we directly can't maintain the data for the database table. You see, am entering the table as TVAK. If I click maintain means it won't allow. It is saying that the maintenance dialog for TVAK is incomplete or not defined, right? So in this case, what we can do, you see there's an option here, find maintenance dialog. Just click this one. Okay, so first what we can do, just enter the table here TVAK, then click this find maintenance dialog. Okay, it is loading, so let it load. I will open one more session. Let me go to SPRO path. SAP reference IMG. Okay, so let me go to the sales and distribution, sales, sales documents, sales document header, and you see define sales document types. Okay, let's right click on this sales define sales document types and display the technical info. Let's go to the attributes, go to the maintenance objects. Okay, fine. So if you don't know the maintenance view, then it's very simple. If you go to this node as I described now, you see the maintenance view for this TVAK table entries is that V underscore TVAK. Right, so by just copy this one and open one more SM30. Okay, just paste it here and click maintain. You see, it's open now. It's nothing but Vivo V8 only. So there are several ways that we can maintain the several ways, but ultimately the window will be same in all the cases. If you go with SAP node, SPR1 node, or if you go with Vivo V8, or if you go to SM30 tcode, ultimately it will open the same window only. There is no doubt about that. Okay, it's still loading, fine. So what I mean to say here is that if you enter the TVAK table and click find maintenance dialog means system display the maintenance view available for this table. Then you can select the relevant one and click maintain. Okay, fine. Now we will see how to maintain the translation for objects now. So let me click search for OR and you see OR has been selected now. And now let's go to the more and the menu go to, and here you see the translation. So it's a new SAP S4 version, that's why we see more option here. In the old traditional one we don't see more here, you can directly see the menu at the top. Okay, simply select the menu go to, and here you see the translation. So here we need to select for which language that I am trying to change the translation or update the translation, right? I'm going to do it for Netherland and France FR. Select these two checkbox and click enter. And you see it has been displayed now. By default English comes as a default. Other two languages comes as per our selection criteria. So what I will do, I will do some changes here and I will click OK. Click Ctrl S, save. If save means system will ask for the TR. So just add the customizing TR, then you can save the changes into the TR. Fine. So this is how we should do the translation for any of the SAP SD objects. Similar way, if you want to do the translation for order reasons, again you can go to that SPRO path, or if you know the T code, you can ask the T code. I think the T code is OVAU. Let me give it a try. Yeah, it's the OVAU. It's a order reasons. Or else we can simply go to SM30 maintenance view. Yeah, so the database table for order reasons is TVAU. So let's add V underscore before the TVAU. Then click maintain. See, again same window has been opened. Then again same process we need to follow to do the translation. Select the required objects here. Then go to the menu, go to click translation, select the required languages, click enter, then maintain the data here and click OK. And you see here, if you select the multiple objects in order reasons means we'll get the translation for every objects here. This is the order reason W01. It has English, Chinese, and Croatian and Chinese translation, right? Like this, we'll get that entry for all the objects. Similar way, so we can do for other objects as well. Okay, so for order types, it's a V underscore TVAK, and for order reasons, it's V underscore TVAU, and for item category, it is V underscore TVAK. Sorry, it's item category, right? It should be TVAP. Okay, let me give it. Let me check that. So TVAP maintain. Yeah, it's an item category. You see. Okay, like this, we need to maintain the translation for all the standard customizing SD objects. In the next sessions, we can see how to do the translation for the custom T codes that has been developed, or standard text or S14 text. If you have any queries or concerns means, please do let me know. I will try to answer that. That's it from this video, friends. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.